At the University of Fire, we offer a College of Fire Restrictions. In our Stage 2 Fire Restrictions course, we discuss welding and chainsaw use. Stage 2 fire restrictions limit the use of internal combustion engines, which run on gasoline or diesel fuel. They should not be used between 1 p.m. and 1 a.m., aka hoot owl hours. Yes, you have a question?
How am I supposed to cut firewood during Stage 2 fire restrictions?
Good question. There are a couple of options. First, you could use an electric chainsaw. They can be used anytime. Or, you can use a gas-powered chainsaw between the hours of 1 a.m. and 1 p.m. Clear the area you are sawing in of items that can easily catch on fire and finish your work by 1 p.m. You also must patrol the area for 1 hour after you finish working, no matter what time between 1 a.m. and 1 p.m. that you finish, to make sure no sparks have caught hold. And while we're talking about sparks, we should talk about welding or operating open flame torches. What do you think those sparks are going to do on a hot, windy day? If you absolutely must weld or use a torch outside, you should work in an area that is cleared of combustible materials. And just like the internal combustion engines, you are only allowed to weld or use a torch between 1 a.m. and 1 p.m., and you must monitor the area for 1 hour after you finish working. That being said, some cities and counties could have special exemptions to fire restrictions. The best way to understand the restrictions in your location is to visit mtfireinfo.org. Let me show you how that works. When you go to mtfireinfo.org, you will see a link for fire restrictions. That link takes you to a map. Zoom in on your county and your specific location, then click on the map. A box will pop up that summarizes the restrictions and has a link to the actual legal document. Now comes the fun part. Click the link and read the document. It's a real page-turner, and it will spell out the restrictions and any exemptions for your specific area. For extra credit, visit mtfireinfo.org, because you should know before you go.